My mama always told me never drive through the mud. She warned me of the evils of being a stud. Oh baby, I don't know just where I'm gonna go, 'cause my old mama kicked me right in the ass, straight to the road like a cattle eating grass. But it's alright for us to fight, 'cause I got a big ass truck, that's all I need. Found the dusty path to old Mississippi. I don't care about a goddamn thing. I don't care about one damn thing. I've been up Fox Peak, down the Rio Grande. She's picking me everywhere across this land, so I'm alright sleeping at night, 'cause I know I got her sitting in her shed, a stuffer full of crude anytime she needs fed. So we're alright when the money is tight, 'cause I'm in my big ass truck, that's all I need. People flying by like an old stampede, but I don't care about one damn thing. I don't care about a goddamn thing. I got an F-350 with a big old grill. I could plow fields and pull you uphill, so I'm alright. I got a buck tonight. Don't got time for your fishing story. All I care about is waving Old Glory. We're alright, flying her high, 'cause I love my big ass truck. She's all I need. I paved her real good. She's the best of breed. I don't care about one damn thing. I don't care about a goddamn thing. The old West is calling me. She's barking real loud. Got my bottle of heaven sitting in the bed, wondering if my baby's proud. The sun, she's a setting on the old US of A. We're better off now than ever before, so let's drive till the light of day, 'cause I got my big ass truck, that's all I need. Cruising faster than we can burn mesquite, but I don't care about one damn thing. I don't care about a goddamn thing. I don't care about a goddamn thing.